Hey guys, today I have a very chill, fall inspired get ready with me video for you. I just wanted to do one fall look before I start doing all my Halloween stuff and just give you one video before that, you know, because I've been kind of not doing videos that often. But I wanted to do this look for you and show you how I do my foundation and, you know, most of my face, all of my face. Yeah, so if you want to see and join me for this get ready with me, keep watching. Okay, so today you get to see my naked, scary face. Perfect timing for Halloween. I decided I wanted to do get ready with me. Haven't done one in a while and thought it would be fun. So I started using this primer. I usually don't do my foundation on camera, so get a special treat today, sort of. And this is, I don't know where to set the expectation. For matte, I think it's okay. It doesn't keep me completely matte all day long, but it starts out pretty good. I want to try the poreless one. I think they have one that's like for pores. I'm not sure. This is e.l.f. Yeah. So just put it on with my fingers. And only where I get oily. So I'm a T-zone person. I get oily here. And that's where I put this. It is a beautiful rainy day. I love cold rainy days. I like rainy days anyway, like even during summertime when it's hot and you get some rain, it's so soothing and it cools things down. And I'm so glad that it's fall finally. Okay, I started using this foundation again. I've used it before. It's the Hard Candy Camouflage. And right now I'm using beige, which I think is a little dark. I should have gone lighter. But it's okay, I put like a powder that's porcelain over it and it helps. So I love the applicator, I think. That is, I just smear it all over my face. And down here too. I love using the Real Techniques sponge. I wet it and pat. You know, it's not freezing. It's cooler. And yeah, I do go over my eyes when I do stuff like this. Wherever I think I don't have enough coverage. And my pores on my nose can be a little big. So what I do to hide that is I put extra and then I use my fingers to kind of rub the foundation in there. So if you have big pores on your nose, or large pores, just do that and pat it a little bit in there. Powder foundation as a powder, and I love it. I already hit pan. And let's see, I use porcelain because I like to add the lighter color. See, it blends really well. And I use a flat top for that. Just pat it on, especially around my nose where I get really oily. And my forehead. Chin. I contour my nose and try to help it look straight because it is a little crooked. So I try to put extra powder on there. because I don't want it to look too dark for blending purposes. What's it called? Cheek Money Vibes. It's a contour powder I got in my Ipsy bag. I love the little container. And I'm just using this pencil brush. It's an old Mary Kay pencil brush that I've had for a long time, but I feel like it's a perfect fit for my schnoz. So just go along the bridge and then the sides and right here at the tip. Slightly do here. So I have a curve right here in my nose, and I try to avoid that because I don't want to exaggerate that curve. I'm trying to make it look straight. So if you have a nose that has been broken in the past and you have a curve, I suggest avoiding where the dent is and just go under it to kind of create an illusion that it's straight, or make it look straighter, you know. And also you want to make it uniform at the tip. And go here. I really like this contour powder. I like the color is really good. Now if it starts to look dark, all I do, because I do want to make it kind of dark at first, then I go back into my foundation powder with the same brush, and I do the bridge all the way down the tip, and then kind of blend out a little bit because, you know, the sides. That should help. My nose look like it was never broken. That is how I contour my nose. I don't really contour anything else. And just go over it. Extra blending doesn't hurt. I am using this Revlon Color Stay brow tint, and it's really cool. It's like an eyeliner, but it's for your eyebrows. And what I like about it is that you can, if you're like me and you like to draw the hairs, this is a handy tool for that. So that's what I do, and it darkens and it stays, and I really like it. It's super easy to use. This color is brown or dark brown. For this look, I'm going to be using this Saharan 2 by Juvia's Place. I really like these colors at the bottom row. See them? These right here. I really like these colors. Concealer. It's almost gone. Oh my goodness. When I'm not doing videos, this is what I do. I just do both of them at the same time. This is a blending brush I have. I'm sure I got, it's called All Over Eyeshadow, actually. All Over Shadow, so it's like all over. Got this in my Ipsy bag. Don't remember when I got it, but I like this color right here. It's called Taza. Taza. In Espanol, taza, which means cup, which probably means clay because it looks like clay. Ooh, there is a nice cold breeze coming through the window. I love it so much. And now I'm going to take a smaller pencil brush, this guy right here, and I'm going to go into the darker brown, this guy right here. Honestly, I don't even know what I'm doing. Right here. We're just creating as we Great. Jeez, I'm so eloquent today. Please do not be overwhelmed by my eloquency. And kind of like a thick eyeliner. That's how we're applying it. A thick. I'll go underneath as well with that same brown. And just bring it down. Brown or taza. This other color is called, these are hard to see because it's like white on yellow. Fez. This one's called Fez. This one's called Taza, and this one, if I can see, Zora. So back into Taza. And I'm gonna apply a little more because I want it richer than this. This time I'm gonna try to concentrate on the crease here. Just creasing it up. Beautiful deep reddish color. It's my favorite. So these are from Royal and Langnickel. They have like a neon collection. And I really like their brushes. I'm gonna just keep this on the outer corner. Like that. You see? So this week I start recording the Halloween looks that I'm gonna do for October. And I wanted to do a fall look beforehand. So I decided to just go ahead and do a fall get ready with me look. Outer corner. Brush. I need to figure out how to place a mirror because I use my forward facing camera because it's the best quality. But I really can't see what's going on. So I try to align it the best I can and then just record, but I don't know if I'm in focus, if it's too close. Like I think I put it where it should be, but you know, you just never know. Like I move and stuff, and so need to figure out a way. I used to like jimmy a mirror on my light. Now I can't find that mirror, so, and it was never perfect. It's always like, am I in frame? Am I focused? So today I have nothing and I don't know what is going on, so let's hope for the best. Okay, I want to use black to help the eyeliner situation, and I'm using the Saharan. So this is the Saharan and this is the Saharan 2 by GBS, and I'm just going to use Chat, which is a black, the black eyeshadow in this palette. One of my favorite brushes ever is this little Precision brush from BH Cosmetics. I love this brush so much. It's so good for filling out, just doing like real detailed, you know. Just doing the outer corners to begin with. Pat, pat, pat. Underneath. Like that. I'm gonna bring this out a little bit. This. Eyeliner, and I love this felt tip eyeliner from the brand Araceli. It's one of the best I've gotten in my Ipsy bag. I really, really love it. It's just, it gives you a very, God, what's the word I'm looking for? Precise line. Precise and well smooth. Well coated, I was gonna say, but smooth. Well saturated line. And some eyeliners, when you put them on, you're like, you have to go over more than once because it's kind of dry. Then when you get to be my age, your eyelids aren't super smooth. There's a little bumps on the road, so you have to have something very very reliable. Can't use the cheap stuff that just, you know, you have to go over and over. Gotta use the good stuff. So with this other eyeliner pencil from Araceli as well, that I really, really like. This is a good brand. I'm impressed. Well, at least with the eyeliners. I always go in here because I don't like to see the gappiness of the eyelashes right here. Like the line. I don't know. I just want it to be all dark. Okay. And just blend a little bit. And the line. I'm going to do that here too. To mattify it, because it's a little shiny. Not too much, but you know, just a little bit. With the darker brown, I'm going to put it down here. I'm bringing it really low now. That's okay, that's how I like it. Red again. Because I can't see it, and I want to see it. There we go. Just like that. Take this guy and blend. I don't want to see that line right there. At least not a lot, just a little bit. And for mascara, you guys know I always use this one. It's the best. I can layer it and make my eyelashes really thick if I want, or just add a little bit. Okay, I feel like I need another color. And I think I'm gonna go with this color right here, which is a yellow metallic color. Any brush, a different one, because I don't want to mix the metallics with the mattes. And put it, where should I put it? Inner corner. That's usually where, you know, put these colors. That. To add maybe like a little bit of contrast here. Ooh, underneath would be really cool, I think. What do you think? Bring it more underneath. This is what happens. Like that, and I'm gonna do some blending now, because you don't ever just leave it that way. I'm gonna do some blending. I don't like leaving this without eyeliner, so what I do is I go over just the edge, you know, like that. Okay, now I'm gonna do blush because I look a little pale. I need some warmth on my face. And I really love this Shimmer and Shake blush from Tarte. It's another Ipsy bag. A lot of these are from my Ipsy bag. I don't really buy makeup that much anymore. Because I have a lot and I want to go through my makeup before I, buy more. And I feel like I need to use what I have, And I don't wear makeup as often as I used to. Back in the day, I work out 3 times a week, so there's 3 days that I don't wear makeup, and then now we don't even do church on Sundays, so I don't wear makeup on Sundays. I do wear makeup on Wednesdays if we're gonna do practice and record, and then Tuesdays sometimes, and Thursdays sometimes. Other times I wear light but not dramatic stuff. Okay, I don't know, my lips are always an afterthought for me because I'll put on lip gloss or chapstick most of the time. For me to wear lipstick or color has to be really intentional, otherwise I don't even think about it. This is Natural from L'Oreal Color Riche. I love these lip liners because they always stay nice and precise. Even if it's a little blunt, it's not completely, you can still get a good line out of them. So I'm just gonna fill my lips with that. My lips seem extra powdery today, I don't know why. Yeah, I'm not dehydrated as much. Because when you're dehydrated, your lips turn into prunes. That is for today's fall inspired get ready with me. I've been into curling my hair, so I don't know. I wear it straight all the time. I always flat iron it, so I figured maybe changing it up a little bit would be good. And last but not least, I gotta put my nose ring back in. I always take it out and put it back in. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Not too much chit chat, I know. I'm not very good at that. But I hope you enjoy this look. Reminds me of the fall leaves. The colors so rich and warm. Yeah. Okay, so stay tuned for my first Halloween makeup tutorial coming up this week. I will try to have that uploaded and out by Friday. I'm excited. Hope you're excited. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this fall get ready with me and seeing me start from the beginning. Ooh, not just my eyes like I usually do. As always, rock on.